Hi, welcome to the third grade math edition of Motivation Station. I'm Miss Kay Johnson, and today we're going to solve word problems using bar graphs. Let's start off with a joke of the day. Why didn't the quarter roll down the hill with the nickel? Because it had more sense. Our learning goal for today will be to solve one-step and two-step how many more problems using information presented in a scaled bar graph. The first bar graph we're going to look at today is titled Science Fair Projects. The subjects are along the y-axis and the number of students are along the x-axis. The first category in Science Fair Projects is animals. We're going to label each category with the number. Animals stretches all the way out to this line, which is 30, so we're going to label animals with 30. Plants is the blue bar, and it falls in between 6 and 0. The number in between 6 and 0 is 3, so we've labeled plants with 3. Space is the orange bar, and it falls in between 18 and 24. The number in between there is 21. Rocks, the green bar, comes out to 18, so we've labeled it with 18. And oceans, the red bar, falls at 12, so it gets the label of 12. So using this bar graph, Science Fair Projects, we're going to ask how many students participated in the poll. Well, we would just add up each category. Animals has 30, plus plants has 3, plus space has 21, plus rocks is 18, plus oceans is 12. 30 plus 3 plus 21 plus 18 plus 12, and I would need scrap paper to do this, is 84 students. So using that same bar graph, Science Fair Projects, we're going to answer this question. Which choice had the fewest votes, and how many students voted for it? Well, we can see that animals has the most votes and plants only has 3, and that has the least number of votes. So plants it is because plants got 3 votes. Let's answer this question. How many more votes did space get than oceans? Well, I see here that space got 21 votes. And oceans got 12, and I know when they say how many more, I'm going to find the difference and I'll be subtracting. So 21 take away 12 is 9. So space got 9 more votes than oceans. Let's do one last question with this bar graph. How many more votes did animals and plants get than rocks and oceans? Oh, this is one of those group 1, group 2 questions, and then find the difference. So let's find group 1. Group 1 is animals and plants. So I look at animals, it's 30, and plants is 3. So 30 plus 3 equals 33. That's group 1. Now group 2 is rocks and oceans. I can see that rocks is 18 and oceans is 12. So group 2 is 18 plus 12 is 30. Now I need to find the difference. The difference in group 1 versus group 2. Group 1 is 33 minus 30 for group 2 equals 3. So that means that 3 more people did projects on animals and plants than did the group 2 projects, rocks and oceans. If you look at the screen now, there's a new bar graph titled Diego's DVDs. It's counting how many animated DVDs Diego has, how many comedies he has, how many dramas, and how many action DVDs he has. Let's take a look at the first step. We'd like to write the totals for each category. If we look at the animated videos, it's between 12 and 14. The number between 12 and 14 is 13. So Diego has 13 animated videos. Comedy videos, it's right at the line where 12 is, so he has 12 comedies. Drama DVDs, it's down here at the 2. He has 2 dramas. And then the action DVDs, he has right between 6 and 8 is 7 action DVDs. So if we put the numbers at the top of each column, animated is 13, comedy is 12, drama is 2, and action is 7. When we take a look at Diego's DVD bar graph, we can answer this question. How many DVDs does Diego have? That question is asking how many, if we add all 4 categories together, would we get? So when we take 13 plus 12 plus 2 plus 7, we get 34 DVDs. That's how many total DVDs Diego has. The next question we're going to ask about the data we see on Diego's DVD bar graph is how many more comedies than action DVDs does Diego have? So we're going to take a look at comedies, which is 12, and action DVDs, which is 7, and how many more tells me that I need to find the difference between 12 and 7. So if I subtract 7 from 12, I get 5. Diego has 5 more comedies than he does action DVDs. The last question you see on the screen for Diego's DVD bar graph is how many more animated and action videos does Diego have than comedy and drama videos? This is a group 1, then group 2, then find the difference between group 1 and 2 question. The first group is animated and action videos added together. He's got 13 animated plus 7 action videos, which equals 20. So group 1 has 20. Let's see what group 2 has. Group 2 has comedy and drama videos. Comedy is 12 videos and drama is 2. So group 2 is 12 plus 2 is 14. And the second step is that we have to find the difference between group 1 and group 2. Group 1, 20, minus group 2, 14, is 6. So Diego has 6 more animated and action DVDs than he does comedy and drama DVDs. I have had a great time teaching you about bar graphs and how to answer questions regarding bar graphs. It'd be a great idea for you to try to make bar graphs and answer questions on your own. You could use colors in the crayon box, or maybe even types of leaves that you can find outside for your categories. Thank you again for watching Motivation Station 3rd Grade Math. I'll see you next time.